3 Advice on hiring full-stack developers. By ProCoders. Types of full-stack developers. Mean stack. This represents MongoDB, ExpressJS, Google's AngularJS, and NodeJS. It is among the most sought-after stacks, especially since all the technologies represented are JavaScript-based. Some modifications include MERN, which replaces AngularJS with React Native, and MEVN, which uses Vue.js. LAMP stack. LAMP stack programmers are primarily skilled in Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. It is among the earliest known programming stacks. Also, one can flexibly modify it as a cross-platform stack, such as WAMP for Windows devices and MAMP for macOS computers. It could also be fitted for Android or iOS. Full-stack Python. Due to its portability, low-code implementation, simple syntax, and open-source architecture, Python is one of the fastest-growing programming languages in the world. So, it is not surprising that many full-stack developers for hire choose Python as their base technology. When do you need a full-stack developer? Full-stack programmers seem like the affordable option when assembling development teams. Just hire dedicated full-stack developers, right? If so, one must wonder why back-end and front-end coders have not gone out of business yet. The answer is simple: hire full-stack web developers because they are important, even though they can't be do-it-alls. Benefits of a full-stack developer for your business. Cost optimization. Perhaps the most popular reason many companies, especially startups, opt to find full-stack developers is the cost optimization that their skills provide. An experienced full-stack programmer can wear multiple hats on the team, fulfilling responsibilities that would have been assigned to separate people. Vast experience. Full-stack experts have a deep experience rooted in the vast exposure they have garnered in the course of their work. Since their range extends across several languages and projects, they possess extensive and unique insights that enhance project delivery. Collaboration. The most collaborative developers you would find in terms of output are full-stack programmers. Even in technologies and languages where they have no specialization, they have a basic knowledge that helps them to relate at a sufficient level. How to find a full-stack developer for hire. Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and so on are great resources to hire dedicated full-stack developers, especially if you want to hire some quickly. However, the downside of this is low-quality web application development. Alternatively, you could employ an agency or job board, but then there is the hassle of screening candidates. 3 steps to hire a full-stack developer for your project. Determine the requirements. First, set the requirements for the project. What are your goals and objectives for the software? What is your budget for execution? How long do you expect the development process to last? All these would inform the hiring choices you make. Assemble your team. When assembling your team, you have a number of options. There is nothing better than putting a competent team in charge of your project. That's what you get when you hire with ProCoders, a custom-built team of developers who listen to you and build according to your expectations. Screen the developers. While we vet our developers at ProCoders before releasing them for any client project, we encourage clients to interact with our developers directly to ensure that they win their trust. This also helps us to be transparent. Ask the right questions that help you to make a smart decision. Find full-stack developers for hire with ProCoders. What is it like to hire dedicated full-stack developers at ProCoders? Since we are based in Ukraine, that means you can access affordable talents. However, that does not equal a compromise on talent. We are very rigorous about the selection process by which we hire developers. Therefore, you can rest assured that only the best in the industry would be assembled for your project. Conclusion. Full-stack developers bring versatility, flexibility, and experience to a development project. These are no ordinary professionals. Often, they function as the building blocks of development teams. That's why you must get hiring right, especially if you are a startup. If you need help hiring the best fit full-stack developers for your company's projects, ProCoders is the right choice. Give us a call today. Subscribe our channel and read more about 3 advice on hiring full-stack developers at Procoder's blog.